So all you need now is one heat gun and one spring. Okay, I'll show you how to put a bend, say between here and here. You have to heat, okay, and what you need to do is the spring, it's inserted, here's a spring, and it's inserted inside the conduit like this. It's a nice snug fit, and anyway, it's got a Y on the end, you'll see why. Now what you do is where you have to heat, you put your spring where you want the bend, and the wire, you just bend it where you want it to stop, so you insert it when it's heated. Okay, I'll just put that aside. Start the heat gun. Now, you don't have to heat it extremely hot, you just have to heat it so you can bend it. You can actually have a bit of force to bend it, so it doesn't have to be overheated. I'll do this all in real time, that way you get an idea of how long it takes. Yeah, it's just about ready, I think. I'll just turn it off, and you insert the spring up until where you bent it, then the spring's where you heated it, and as you can see, that I'll just leave it at that. I can bend it further, but I'll just pull the spring out like this, and I'll just drop it right, and like that. And next up will be where I put the bend closer to the end. It works a little bit differently. So now we're going to heat it a little bit, put the bend a little bit closer to the end, just here, in between there, and of course the spring will go in also. I'll do a little bit differently, you'll see after I heat it how I put it in. So I'll just put that aside, and I'll heat between here, that's where I want the bend. And as I said before, don't overheat it. It only needs to be warm enough to bend, but not that warm that it gets too soft. Just rotate it as you're heating, as you probably see what I'm doing. Didn't take all that long. Turn it off. It should be about right. Now, I'll turn it around the other way, insert it the other way so the spring comes out the other end, and now I'm getting a bit bigger diameter conduit on the end, so I've got more leverage to bend it, but the spring's still there. I'll get something to get the angle off, and I'll make it to the angle of this. You hold it for a few 10-15 seconds, it should be right. And as I said, you just hold it, it won't be long. Right, it's right, as you can see, it's you got the bend right, you pull it out, and that's right, as you can see. I'll just lift it up. As you can see, it's about the exact same angle, and well, I suppose that's about it.